Someone here has a lot of work to do, Divine Collective. Someone who lost their identity. This person may be having an emotional day. Someone that knows that they have a lot of work to do on themselves. This is someone who did not stand up for you, Divine Collective, okay? This person, it's like they're being tormented. They didn't stand up for you, and it's like it's replaying in their head. They're replaying different scenarios in their head of how, you know, people were hurting you, people were abusing you, and they just stood by and they let this happen, Divine Collective. This person is being tormented, okay? Realizing that they have a lot of work to do. You called this person out on something. You spoke some type of truth, Divine Collective, and you called them out, Spirit says. You and this person could have children together. You could have been married at one point. I am not picking up on any type of cord, Divine Collective, so you have since disconnected, severed, burned, however you want to look at it, that cord, because I'm not picking up on a cord here. So you've done a lot of work on yourself, Divine Collective, to heal from this person, from this relationship, I see. Love triangle. This person put you in a love triangle, in a third-party situation, Divine Collective. The archangels are here. I'm picking up on spirit guides, ascended masters, the saints, Divine Collective. They're all here. Spirit said this is a judgment-free space. Okay? A judgment-free space. I'm hearing it took me a long time to finally understand that in order to fully embrace my worth, I had to first let go of those who did not value me. That is a quote by Ryan Elliott, okay? Again, in order to fully embrace your worth, Divine Collective, you have to first let go of those who do not value you. That is equivalent to creating boundaries with people, okay? It's time to get organized. Keep a schedule and commit to it, Divine Collective, okay? Please, get a schedule together, Divine Collective. I'm speaking from experience as someone who has never in my life been organized, okay? I'm just being very transparent, okay? But I'm actually somebody who, at one point I would argue that my way was better than somebody who was organized, Divine Collective. You won't catch me doing that anymore. Because in the beginning of my journey, it was like things were everywhere, and Spirit had to speak to me and sit me down and say, look, I know you don't like schedules. I know you don't really follow routines. It's never been your thing, but I just need you to try it out. Divine Collective, I put myself on a schedule, a very strict schedule, and I didn't realize at the time that Spirit was teaching me discipline, okay? But first, I had to get out of my ego, quit being stubborn, and try something new. You know, I had tried it in the past with kids, and I just felt like it made things much more complicated, Divine Collective, so I gave up, and I never tried scheduling again. But it was the best thing I could have done for myself. It gave me something to look forward to each and every day. You know, I put goals down each and every day, and I just made sure that I hit those goals, Divine Collective. But being on a schedule will really, really take you to where you need to be, Divine Collective, get you right, so to say. The truth is coming out regardless of how someone tries to spin the narrative. Spirit is telling me someone here may be just trying to buy time because they know the truth is coming out, Divine Collective. However, Spirit says the truth is coming out regardless of what they try to do, okay? How they try to manipulate the situation. The masks are falling off. In most cases, the masks have been ripped off, okay? You have good luck here, Divine Collective, good karma, divine intervention I'm picking up on in this reading. Yeah, someone I feel like wants to make you feel like you need to make a quick decision, like a fast decision, Divine Collective. This is a love bomber. Spirit is saying it's a no, okay? I mean, ultimately, you're going to make up your own mind. But if you have someone in your energy that you feel is forcing you to make a decision, like, hurry up. They're trying to manipulate you. Just know that, okay? So just be cautious of someone trying to make you feel forced into making some type of decision here, Divine Collective. So, and an ending, well, not an ending, we're at 5:49 on the clock. Someone does want to apologize to you here for not defending you, Divine Collective. And they also want to speak the truth about someone that they know is still stalking you. Okay, so now they want to defend you. Now they want to start speaking out and telling on others, Divine Collective. Remember what Spirit says. This is a judgment-free zone, okay? You've manifested stability in your life, Divine Collective. Continue manifesting, Spirit is telling me. There's a lot of stability here. I'm getting reliability. The ones who tried to tear you down only made you powerful, Spirit says. And now they're sitting back watching as all of their lies are crumbling. Divine Collective. I'm hearing, oh, what a mess I have made. Oh, what a mess I have made. Wow. Someone is feeling watched here. They are being watched, Divine Collective. A lot of these energies are planning to run. They're cowards. Okay, a lot of these energies are not planning to take any accountability. However, we have someone here. They want to apologize for not defending you, Divine Collective, okay? Again, this is a judgment-free zone. I read energy, Divine Collective, so I can pick up on energy. While all of you are watching me, I can absolutely pick up on all of your energy. So it's like, as I'm telling you these things, telepathically, I can also hear the conversations a lot of you are having with people in your homes. You know what I'm saying? That's how my gift works. So when I'm like, hey, this is a judgment-free zone, that's because I'm picking up on comments, low vibrational comments, Divine Collective, and I'm here to let you know that we're not going to do that, okay? That's not what I'm all about. I'm all about forgiveness, okay? But I also understand that it takes some time to get to that point, Divine Collective. So I'm not going to come at you funny for feeling a certain way. It's only if, you know, you continue in that pattern that I may say something like, hey, you're stuck. You're stuck, and the only person you're hurting is you, okay? Spirit says, get back to your inner child here, Divine Collective. I feel like that's when a lot of us are really genuinely happy, when we're activated, so to say, in our inner child. I know I'm speaking for myself when I say that, Divine Collective. When I'm you know, I wanted to say playing with my inner child as if we're playing on a playground or something, but that's how I felt in the moment. You know, I'll just randomly start singing or dancing or running back and forth throughout the house. Divine Collective, it's really odd. It's like an instant burst of energy, and I just feel like a child again. I'm picking up on a new idea here, a project generating new income. For a lot of you, you're going to have multiple streams of income here. Okay, you're very creative, and a lot of you are working on things in the current moment that's going to, like I said, generate monthly streams of income, Spirit is telling me. There is someone here who wants to be successful with you, Divine Collective, but I have to be honest in telling you this. There's still a small amount of instability I'm hearing. Okay, so this person has to heal. All right, you have to just stay away from this person. I stay away, because I am